Hello and welcome. This is my week 6 strategy video and I'm focusing on place value. So as you can see, I have my 10s and 1s chart. I've decided to work on 10s and 1s purely because I was going to use my counters, but I have misplaced them. So instead I am using coins in these measuring cups. So the reason I'm using the measuring cups is because you can physically see that there are 10 coins in there, but they're still grouped together. So in this case, we have 10, 20, 23. So this is trying to get around the thing that children think, because there is, say if I put an MAB block of just 110, that they think it may only just be 1. So in this case, we can, for the example I'm using, if we asked children what number it was, and they said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we could then get children to focus on actually how many individual coins are there altogether. But we just put them, this means 10 because it's easier to count rather than counting them separately. So then we could do it all different ways. We could go 10, 20, or we could go how many do we have? 10, add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Because obviously if children have each place value, they've understood the concept of addition. So then we'll make another one. So let's say I ask the children to make 35. We'd go into our cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35. The syllabus actually states to help teach children skip counting by 2, 5 and 10. So this should help, because if you've gone 10, 20, 30, if the children know that, it then makes it easier to count on. But I like the idea of the cups because you can see the different numbers. Obviously, ideally, you'd like to have counters or something that was all the same. I just used coins because it was what I had access to today. But that was my teaching strategy, and I think I quite like the idea of how it's a physical material, not an MAB block. We've got our 10s house and our 1s house, and they don't cross over. I would never do that, because then that would confuse children. Then they would count 1, 2, 3. Whenever they're in a cup, it means 10. You could have bigger size cups for hundreds, things like that. So that's my concept today, and thank you very much.